Hello and welcome to the release of the 2023 Career Outcomes Report. This annual report brings together data about how new NDSU graduates are doing in their careers within 6 months of graduation. It's a snapshot in time with NDSU alumni continuing to grow and excel beyond the reported 6-month timeframe. This information is used to make sure NDSU is meeting workforce needs of employers in our state and region by providing career-ready individuals at graduation. Let's take a look.
NDSU has prepared me by giving me classes that are actually applicable in the real world, whether it be in operations and sales and marketing. I feel like I'm bringing value to my employer. I know I have a great opportunity and I'm taking full advantage of it. The transition from student to employee was seamless. I was honestly very ready to get out and get into the workforce. I feel like NDSU prepared me in that way. I'm very ready to start my career and excited to get out there.
The quality of NDSU graduates working here has been absolutely phenomenal. They've jumped right in. We're a startup company here in Fargo. We love the state, and NDSU has just been that other partnership that has helped us to build out our workforce.
NDSU helped connect me to my current employer through providing me with resources to meet employers and also by providing me the education and confidence to go into industry. I chose NDSU because it's close to home. I also chose it because it's a great engineering school and I knew I wanted to go into school for engineering. Thanks to the knowledge I gained at NDSU, I have confidence in myself that I can provide in the industry and help create a better world.
The quality of the NDSU graduates working here have set the bar super high. They are nothing less than awesome and are always great employees to work with. They have great leadership abilities, they are able to work as a part of a team, they're always willing to learn, and they also have great personalities that make them fun to work with.
So I choose to stay in North Dakota after graduation because it's a great community, it's good people, and there's just a lot of opportunities in the agriculture industry for career advancement and just to get involved with all the folks around the community. My internship at Pioneer Seed really helped me get the real world experience, kind of taking that from NDSU, applying it to my daily work here at Pioneer. I'm appreciative of everything that NDSU did for me and for kind of where I'm at currently because of my college education.
So we've just had really good luck getting high quality candidates out of NDSU that have stayed with us for a long time. About half of the team that I lead is NDSU graduates. So when I look at NDSU compared to the other schools for the people we employ, to be over half says a lot about the school and what they've been able to provide us for students and employees.